Okay, we're back. We're about 8 thousandths shy of 5/8 here. And I believe I got a tool that'll reach this. I'm going to zero my fake DRO also, just for kicks. I don't trust it, but okay, let's get this, let's progress forward here. Let me get you down here on it, man. Are you seeing it? I'm going to slow it down just a hair. That's pretty fast. Okay, here we go. There's scratch pass. Okay. There's a 0. We'll back that off. Bring it back up. Go to 10. But not without checking our thread gauge first. Well, I can't see it. Let's do this way. That lies right in there. Okay, so I got a 10 thousandths cut dialed in. I still might have to do some grinding on this tool, but I think what's going to end up happening, I'm going to end up chamfering the inside edge of this as we go. So here we go. Wow, we had all kinds of messing up there, didn't we? It's okay, we can recover, no big deal. So, I'm going to pull this out. I'm going to take this down here to where I wanted it at, because we never tightened our tool up. Okay, let's try that. We can recover from that. There's no big deal. You're early in the game. All we have in there is a scratch. So we're going to go back to 0. Start over. Okay, we're going to take it up to 10. And here we go. Plenty of time to recover. Give it 20. You see that? I'm not able to grip. My tool moved. Let's see if that may have been something I can't recover from. I'm gonna pull it out and see follow it without engagement. See if I'm anywhere near where I'm supposed to be. No. Let me take that again. I think we're a little out of sync, but I'm gonna try to power through it. Hopefully this thing doesn't let go anymore. I should adjust that tool a little bit, but I may do more harm. There. So there's my 10. Yeah, we fell right back into the same channel. We're good. Okay, so let's go to 20 with a little oil. And we're going to do a spring pass at 20. I'm going to do another spring pass at 20. Yeah, we'll go to 25. And 30. Do a spring pass at 30. Here comes my number. Okay, we're going to do another spring pass at 30. Again, we're building a nice looking thread form here. And I think we might actually be where we need to be at. Let's do another 30. Well, let's do a little fake CNC. Little anchor lube on here. There we go. Kind of all came at once, didn't it? Okay, I'm at 30. I'm waiting for the thread dial. Man, that's a good looking thread. Where's my brush at? We're going to do another spring pass at 30. Considering I started about 8 thousandths shy of my dimension, my, what do they call it, your maximum, where's my major, our major diameter. I got points, man. I think we have it. But you know what? I have to take this out of the machine to test it. So once I take it out, I've committed. Let's do 32. I'm going to do a spring pass on 32. I don't want to take too much diameter out of this. You know what? We're going to go with that. Let's back you up a little bit here. I don't know why I feel like I need to keep this on to prove there's no funny business. Nothing funny about this business. Okay. I would have liked to have filed that a little bit, smooth and soften that up. So let's take this out. Yeah, I'd like to clean that up, but let's make sure we have what we need first. There's slight movement there. Very slight. I believe we have a part. Wow.